We're good. Well, it's Dr. Gordon and Linda coming at you Facebook Friday from Southeastern Fertility.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. Happy almost Christmas, Linda.
Almost.
That's right. Next week, the big
Christmas edition.
and probably the last Facebook Friday for the year, I think.
That's right. So
That's
the
right.
year.
That's right. You know, and so it'll be exciting. We'll have
It
some.
will.
I'm sure we'll have some interesting surprises.
Yes.
Won't we?
Oh yeah.
We won't even know what they are until that day, probably.
You will not.
That's right. Probably not. That's right. All right. Well, so you know, our tradition is to send out the practice Christmas card, which we actually did in record time, and hopefully
Very
those will be going
professional
out.
picture.
Yeah. And so if you notice that picture, there are actually 2 people photoshopped in that picture, and I'm not going to tell you who they are, but
they're
Mark will post it, and you can.
Yeah, there you go.
And there'll be incredible prizes for those who guess who actually was photoshopped on there. Yeah, pretty good. Anyway, so that's right. So this is the time of the season of gift giving, and this tie. That's right, and you know, and this tie. Everyone always thinks it's a Christmas tie, and not really sure. It does seem like Christmas tie. It is a Save the Children tie, but it's just funny. You have to be. You know, with Christmas ties, you're limited, right? As to when you can wear them. If you don't pace yourself, pretty soon, like that's it, right? You didn't get a chance to wear your Christmas tie, so I did do it. So talking about gifts, that's where we're coming from you from the biggest gift that we got this year, which is
the new side
of the office. So we've got, this will not be what it looks like, but this is the Quest side of our building, which has now been vacated and will be taken over by Southeastern Fertility and the NADC. So we actually now will have the whole building. So big things are in the works. And what a gift it will be for Linda to actually not be sitting on top of Brooke and Megan. I know, it's just like, I mean, it's just
a gift for them too.
You know, it's just, I mean, it's like when I take our dogs to the kennel, and sometimes Lucky and Belle are okay staying in the same kennel, and other times they just go bonkers. I worry about you guys in that office. I'm afraid, you know.
He's afraid every time I tell him to come in and shut the door.
That's right, might just snap. You know, you never know when Linda's gonna just snap, right? Workplace violence, it could happen. It could happen. So this is a wonderful gift that we have, and it'll be a gift to our patients, and it'll be a gift to the staff.
Yes.
It'll be a gift to Dr. Keenan and to all those. So really, we're really looking forward to it, and really help us, I think, eternity. It's good to be growing, right? I mean, it's good to have. Right. Now, I will say, not really the best time to be doing a building project in terms of the supply chain slowdowns, and things are very expensive. Oh my gosh, it is just amazing, just amazing. But anyway, that's a gift too. It's a gift to the contractors, right? They're happy. Somebody gets a gift. Anyway, so we just want you all to be aware. New things coming in 2022, exciting changes. Keep an eye out, and you might suddenly notice things look a little bit different at the office.
A little bit more spread out.
A little bit more spread out. That's right. Linda will be able to hide. Maybe. Anyway, all right, next week, the Christmas finale for the year of 2021. We'll see 2021 in the rearview mirror, and not a moment too soon. Move on to like trying to get back to normal. Anyway, wish you all a wonderful week. Get that Christmas shopping done. Get those presents under the tree. Move the elf around so your kids don't know where it is. And
people don't move those elves around.
They move themselves.
They move themselves. As long as nobody touches it.
That's right. Don't touch that. All right. Y'all have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and we will see you next week. Bye.